This one is 2 sails on the same crescent. 2 sails on the same crescent. And there's supposed to be furniture. Today is the first day and they're on tomorrow too.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Check the batteries real quick. Oh, gotta change batteries.
Again?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Hello.
I can smell the rain.
I can feel it.
It's coming down pretty good, eh?
It's not too bad.
And it's going to spit a little bit and then the wind's going to come out and it'll quit again.
Yep. Dry it up. Yeah.
I think we should open a bar. The bar. Yeah.
Open what?
I'll take
A
a rum
bar?
and Coke.
Yeah.
I'll take a rum and Coke.
I'm in.
Yeah.
Still make
remember
those?
eh?
Those are great. I love them.
It's pretty funny. Canucks fan lives here.
It's coming.
Go Canucks! I'm a Canucks
Oh,
fan.
no.
Well,
I'm a Canucks fan. I already saw the print down in the corner.
yep.
But
Yeah.
yeah, look at all the Canucks stuff. I like the skull.
Oh my God.
I remember when we were looking
Here's
at
a little guy.
Oh, we were someplace.
Oh,
You
yeah.
just painted it or something.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
In Mexico it was.
That's where you got that?
Yeah,
In Mexico? They must have had all the teams then, eh?
Well, yeah, you could have them request the meeting.
Okay.
I remember him
Neat.
looking and looking for the damn thing.
And then all of these things.
Oh, his stick is broken, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody glue that.
Oh, yeah. Totally. Oh, are you okay? Oh, that's a little one.
That's the brand
mini.
new one. That's yeah. It's got all the games already preloaded on it and everything.
Does it? Oh, so it doesn't open?
No, it's just you plug it in and you go.
Oh.
It's got a whole bunch of the old Nintendo games already all
Sure
loaded
that-
on it.
They would go down in that price, probably.
It's like brand new.
You want
Like
it?
they just came out.
I know.
Oh,
It's the tiniest amp I ever saw.
and there's a Nintendo Wii.
Wow. Oh, and here's the balance board for it.
Yeah. $20.
Yeah.
Just wondering if you can do any better on that price. Like 30?
Can we do 40? It's just I paid over $300.
Is that really what they cost? Oh my god! I really didn't know that. I'd give you 40.
Okay. And it comes with an extra controller too.
Oh, did it not come with? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Just got a nickel and dime you, hey?
Yeah. Every gaming system, though, one.
Yeah.
Are those for jerseys?
They are, yeah.
There's a, see the hanger inside?
Yeah.
You have that one. You have
It's
that.
not signed or anything. It's just a jersey. Oh, I'm sorry. I do have Rough Rider signed jerseys.
Yeah. And it, but then you'd have to have wall space. But it's that, I'm just saying that's what they are.
What do you want on your burger?
What's the best?
make
What's the
mine.
best you do on one of your frames?
Which?
Your jersey frames.
$50.
You can't do better than that, eh?
Nah, because I paid like probably 85 or 90.
Okay. Maybe I should buy one.
Just one?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
I'll
Okay.
get one. I'll buy one of them.
All right.
We'll be back tomorrow for the other one. That's how
Oh, is it half price day tomorrow?
I can guarantee you there's no wiggle room on those frames.
Yeah.
I was given the lecture before we opened today.
I don't know which
Don't
ones-
take a
which one you
chance
like.
on those frames. I'm like, okay.
It's a garage sale. You kind of have to, though.
I don't think it matters.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Thanks. You should have told him. She said $10, so I just bought one. What? I just told you.
He would have known I was lying because I did have both of them in my hand.
Yeah, that's true.
Put one of my signed Rough Rider jerseys in that. That would be awesome.
Are you sure that's okay like that?
It's plexi.
Plexi
well,
still breaks. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good point.
I'm just concerned. Yeah, that will make me feel better.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's probably a smart move.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This guy going here too, or what? Yeah. Oh, dresser, but no. I think it's too 60s. Okay, let's go. What is happening here?
She's trying to park.
No, no, they're leaving.
Oh.
I guess. I don't know. That would have been good for your last place.
Yeah. $10.
No,
But it's not real wood, eh?
no. I mean, it's good if you don't have one, but and that frameless mirror,
Yeah.
people don't like it.
Karen.
Oh, look at the whole set.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, they're leather, I think. Yeah. 1915.
Yeah, 104 years.
Yeah, those are nice. How much are they? I don't know. Oh. Because some of them are a little rougher than others, so maybe
$1
they're...
each or 3 for 2.
Oh,
No.
no. There's 2 back here.
6, 7, 8, 28.
28. Yeah, see if they'll do a deal on those.
Just curious what you wanted for your set here. Oh, it just went down.
What if I said $12 for the whole thing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we do that. Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, it's yours. It's all
Oh,
going,
okay.
It's all going to Crohn's and Colitis Canada.
Oh, I wish I wasn't on a diet.
And then,
This guy.
what is that?
I don't know.
It's just a thing.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
That's funny.
Big fat bird. Oh, these are nice.
Gauntlet gloves.
Yeah.
Challenge you, sir, to a duel.
Oh, they're large though. Yeah.
Wow. They for women?
Well, they're large and they fit me. They might fit you though.
I got pretty tiny hands.
They probably would fit you. But do you want that one?
I
Okay,
feel
you don't
like
have to get all
I feel like I look
ridiculous.
like the evil guy from Who Framed Roger Rabbit.
Since I've had Toontown under my jurisdiction, my goal has been to rein in the insanity. And the only way to do that is to make toons respect the law.
He had the really tight black leather gloves.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Are you interested in that dresser?
You have to ask her.
I don't think
This
so.
is 12, that was 10, I'll take 8.
Oh, I know. I'll look at it again. Yeah, I'll look at it again, but
So here's 2, 4, 6, 7, 12.
Thank you.
Okay.
If you want that sheet, come on back. Please.
I'll try and find somebody for it.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Look at all this yummy.
Okay.
Sculpture on that lady.
All right.
You got it?
We got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You
You
too. Okay.
Good thing the books are leather because they're getting wet.
Oh, yeah, I guess, eh? Okay.
And that's just not from me spitting while I talk.
Oh, good.
Although it kind of looks like that.
Yeah. Okay, you put them in there. Good. Give him a wipe.
Wipe them off.
Nice. Yeah, all leather.
Yeah, those are nice.
That's a lot of books. Usually it's
20, what was it, 28? 28 books.
for $12.
Yeah.
Those are great.
Super nice. High
Yeah.
five. Okay.
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 All right then.
Good.
I'm glad. Throwing a freaking party about
Oh yeah, so this one was. I read it. I don't know why I didn't write it down.
Huh?
This one for the fundraiser. Remember that time you forgot all the batteries?
I think about that a lot.
Do you?
Yeah, when we're going out and stuff. Like when we're getting ready to go, I'm like, don't forget the batteries. Yeah, that was not good. It's way up in the north end too.
Yep.
I'm gonna drive all the way back home.
Yep.
It's a good thing it lasted, that sale though, because that was the toy sale.
Yep.
It was a really good
It
sale.
was a good sale, yeah.
It's probably from carrying that stupid garbage.
The garbage or the planter thing, maybe?
Oh, maybe that's what it is.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much. It's probably just pollen or something.
Dog poop.
Or dog poop. Lick it and see what it is.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's border collie for sure.
Oh.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming along with us on yet another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. It helps to push this video out to people who don't know about us yet, and it's a great way to support our channel. And we are on a push to 10,000 subscribers this year, and we need your help to do it. So if you have not yet subscribed and you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button. And on to the next. We'll see you next time, guys. We love you.